Hey there, garden lovers and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Grow Channel. Did you know that your humble home garden might be hiding the secret to a healthier liver? That's right. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies and uncovering 5 incredible plants that can help you tackle fatty liver disease right from the comfort of your backyard. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness the power of these green allies. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last one on this list. It's an absolute game changer for liver health. Fatty liver disease is more common than you think. Nearly 1 in 4 people worldwide struggles with it, and the scary part? It often comes with no obvious symptoms until it's too late. Left unchecked, it can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. But here's the good news: with the right lifestyle changes and a little help from nature, you can fight back. Imagine walking out to your garden, picking fresh leaves or herbs and knowing you're taking a step toward better health. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get started with the first plant on our list. Number 1, Milk Thistle. This plant is famous for its active compound, silymarin, which acts as a protective shield for your liver. It helps regenerate damaged liver cells and reduces inflammation. And guess what? It's super easy to grow. Milk thistle thrives in sunny spots and well-drained soil. You can use its seeds to make tea or powder them for smoothies. But hold on, before you start brewing gallons of tea, always consult with your doctor, especially if you're on medication. Safety first, folks. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more natural and practical tips straight to your screen. Next up is the golden wonder, turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric contains curcumin, which helps reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Plus, it's a versatile ingredient that adds flavor and color to your dishes. Growing turmeric might take a little patience, but it's worth it. Plant the rhizomes in a pot or directly in the ground, and in 8 to 10 months, you'll have your golden stash ready. Our third contender is one you might already be pulling out of your garden as a weed: dandelion. Don't underestimate this powerhouse. Dandelion roots and leaves are fantastic for liver detoxification. They stimulate bile production, which aids in fat digestion and helps your liver function more efficiently. You can harvest the roots in the fall for maximum potency. A quick wash, roast, and you've got yourself a caffeine-free, liver-friendly coffee alternative. Fourth on the list is garlic. This kitchen staple does more than add flavor to your meals. Garlic is packed with sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping your body flush out toxins. Plus, it's super easy to grow. Just plant a clove, give it some sunlight and water, and watch it thrive. Remember, moderation is key. Eating too much garlic might upset your stomach, so start small and build up as needed. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this content and want more natural health tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. And follow the star of the show, Aloe Vera. This succulent isn't just great for your skin, it's a liver-loving miracle worker. Aloe vera juice can help reduce fatty deposits in the liver while promoting overall detoxification. Make sure to use only the clear gel inside the leaf, avoiding the yellow sap, as it can have a laxative effect. And as always, check with your healthcare provider before adding new remedies to your routine. Let's talk about another fantastic plant for liver health: green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help improve liver function and reduce fat accumulation. Drinking green tea regularly can aid in detoxifying your liver and protecting it from damage. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just brew a cup and enjoy. Remember, moderation is key, and always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Green tea has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Not only does it support liver health, but it also boosts metabolism and improves brain function. You can enhance its flavor by adding a bit of honey or lemon, making it a delightful and healthy beverage. So, why not make green tea a part of your daily routine? Your liver will thank you for it. Remember, a healthy liver is crucial for overall well-being, and green tea can be a simple yet effective way to support it. Next up, we have beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is packed with nutrients that support liver health, including betaine, which helps reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Beetroot juice is a popular way to consume this liver-friendly veggie. You can also add it to salads or roast it as a side dish. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before adding new foods to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Finally, let's discuss the benefits of lemon for liver health. Lemons are high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help detoxify the liver and promote the production of bile. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart your liver's detoxification process. It's a simple and refreshing way to support your liver health. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. So there you have it, 5 incredible plants from your garden that can support your liver health naturally. Remember, while these plants are powerful, they're not magic bullets. Pair them with a balanced diet, regular exercise. Disclaimer: the information presented in this video is for informational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your physician before starting any new health regimen or before using herbs or supplements for medicinal purposes. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. And don't forget to comment below, which of these plants do you already have in your garden, or is there one you're excited to try? Subscribe to the Grow channel for more tips on natural health and gardening. Together, let's grow a healthier, greener world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.